Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. So I am so excited for today's video. I'm going to be partnering again with my favorite sustainable shoe brand, Vivaia. So I have done a couple other unboxing videos. If you haven't seen those, definitely go check them out. If you guys haven't heard of Vivaia, they are this incredible sustainable footwear brand. Everything eco-friendly and responsible. All of their shoes are made up of recycled water bottles, which is incredible. Even their packaging is recycled, eco-friendly. So just a really great way to shop sustainable. They are such a great option when it comes to shopping sustainable, which makes me so excited to receive their products and try them out for you guys and just raise awareness that sustainable branding, clothing, footwear can still be very chic and stylish and even better, comfortable. And today I have two pairs of shoes to show you guys. When I say they cannot be the more like opposite end spectrum of shoes, just wait and see. But both very cute and chic and stylish in their own way. But yeah, we got some range in this video. But before we get into the unboxing and try on of the shoes, be sure to take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and try on. All right, so I got two pairs of shoes and this is the first one. So you can see here is the box. It says step into conscious comfort. You also see it's made from all recycled materials. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, and you can see here it talks about how they're made from recycled water bottles, which is so cool and just awesome, very eco-friendly. We love that. And then opening it up, we've got a little card in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out. This just has some shoe care on it, instructions and whatnot. And then you can see inside it has their tissue paper, which is branded, has the name on it, as well as this cute little sticker on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And here they are, super cute. Go ahead and take this out. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. Wow, okay. Let me rearrange. I've got some tissue, and then it has this cardboardy insert to kind of retain the shape and integrity of the shoe. So go ahead and take that out. And then, oh my gosh, these are literally so soft. I don't know what I was expecting. I was not expecting the inside to be fully lined with this faux fur, but it is so incredibly soft. I want a full blanket of this material. I want to sleep in it. I want to live in it. So these are the round toe recycled faux fur loafers, and they are so cute and so fun. These ones actually come in a very wide variety of colors and patterns, so you will definitely find one that you will like. I got these little blue ones. This is the denim blue bow style, and I just think they are so cute and honestly such a fun color as we're moving into spring. And I feel like this is going to be such the perfect pop of color for a lot of different outfits. So really love that. And these again are made of recycled material, the recycled faux fur, very eco-friendly, sustainable, responsible, also amazing. They do have the removable insole, like most of the other flats on this site. So here it is, and it's like so like flexible and has a lot of cushion on it, as you can see, arch support, and it's also very soft and fuzzy to match the rest of the shoe. They are machine washable, so super easy to keep clean. Also, I think all of their shoes have this, but there is like that extra kind of cushion around the heel on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I don't know if you guys feel this way, but that's always where I get really bad blisters on new shoes especially. So having that makes them way more comfortable. And then like you saw, there's a lot of cushion on the insole, arch support. I also like how it does have a real outer sole that is rubber, so you know you could wear them indoor and outdoor, which is nice. I think it's fun to have that variety. I think these are so cute and just fun little way to add a little bit of spice to your outfit, something a little bit different. I know I do not own any shoes like this with this kind of style, with the kind of fuzzy faux fur look, and I just think it is so pretty, especially the color, this blue. Like I said, it's perfect for transitioning into spring, kind of still bringing in that coziness of the winter time, but with a really cute, fun spring color. I feel like too, with the style of them being a loafer, but also the contrast of kind of like that more casual, cozy fur, you can really dress them up or down depending on what other elements in your outfit you pair it with, which I think that is just such a fun style, a mix of the casual and dressy, and I think this just knocks that out of the park. I feel like there's a lot of different ways you can wear this and style this and look really chic and effortless while also being comfortable and cozy. So just kind of a win-win in all aspects. Yeah, overall, I'm super excited to start wearing these out. And yeah, so if you're looking for some cute, stylish, and cozy shoe options, as well as being sustainable and eco-friendly, this is for you. This is perfect for you. All right, and here is our next pair of shoes, and this is a pretty big box compared to the last one. Same thing on the outside, step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable, and then going ahead and opening it up again. Boom. Ooh, this time we saved 12 water bottles. First, we got the same little kind of care card in here. And then you can also see the tissue paper, 100% recycled, and also the sticker. And then just peeling this back, giving us a first look. These are so cute. Here it is, and these are so cute and such a fun style. Let me again resituate myself for this portion. All right, go ahead and remove all the extra stuff in here. Some tissue, some cardboard, then more. Just always so much. All right, here we go. A clean boot. So these are the Melissa perforated heeled boots, and oh my gosh, these ones are so stinking cute and very stylish and chic. Here's a nice little side view of them, and I absolutely love the heel on this. It's kind of this angular blocked heel, which is so funky and stylish in my opinion. And you can see all of that like knit material on here is super nice and very, very soft. It makes this almost like you're putting on a sock boot. Yeah, this one is just so beautiful too, the colors on this. And this one also does come in a variety of colors and patterns as well. I think this one also does come in their water resistant line, which is so cool. If you haven't seen that, I definitely recommend checking out their Instagram and website. You can like pour water on these shoes and it completely dribbles off the side. It's incredible. This is not them, but it does come in that style. So if that's what you're into, definitely check it out. These ones are just so pretty and fun. I love the square toe detail. I think that's just really stylish and chic. And so yeah, this is their cream and ivory color. And overall, I think the design of these are just so pretty and definitely another shoe that transitions well from winter to spring. Since it is kind of like a lighter color, I think that goes well with a lot of cute spring dresses. If you want to kind of pair booties and a dress, I think that would be really cute and fun. Also, it can still pair really well with just a pair of jeans and a nice top and a coat. And I feel like these also would be cute kind of to wear to the office to work. So yeah, there's so many options on styling these. They're kind of just a great blank canvas to work off of. Almost to the opposite point of the first pair, where those are kind of more of your pop of color, kind of more of a focal point in the outfits, where these just kind of melt and mold well into really any outfit since they are just so neutral. Yeah, just so many different options on how you can style these, how you can wear them. And again, made from all recycled materials, recycled water bottles up in here, which is still so wild to me. Yeah, these are just such a great eco-friendly, sustainable option and incredibly stylish and chic and comfortable. That just really takes the cake, honestly, is the comfort of these, where a lot of times when I feel like I get new booties, new boots, there's kind of like a break-in period where it might be a little stiff, you know, you gotta wear them a couple times, and these really have no break-in period in my opinion. I put them on for the first time and they are just so soft and comfortable. But yeah, when I opened these up, I was just so blown away by how stylish, chic, soft, and honestly just such great quality of shoes. So yeah, really excited about these ones. If you're looking for some cute neutral booties but still in a fun, elegant, chic style, these are perfect for you. Alright, so that was my Vivaia unboxing review of their sustainable footwear. As you can see, these are two very different styles of shoes, but you know, we love it. We love the range, the variety. Like I said, very different, but so cute and so stylish and chic in their own ways. And so the first pair, again, I just feel like there's such a fun pop of color. Definitely a focal point in your outfits. Really a great way to kind of spice it up and add a little bit of flair and fun to your look. Also crazy comfortable. As you saw, they're just fully lined with that super cozy faux fur. Love that. So great. And then on the opposite end are these booties, and they are definitely more of that stylish, everyday, neutral shoe, which I feel like pairs so well with literally anything. Just a great neutral staple for your wardrobe. And if you like any of these shoes or are interested in them, I have linked both of these pairs of shoes in my description down below so you can easily check them out. Go click the link. I also linked the website if you want to shop around and look at more of their options. As you saw, very wide range here, and they have even so much more on their site. And if you do shop, make sure you use my discount code. Use code TARA to save 10% off. So be sure to not forget to use the code, save your money. Also, if you're looking for a cute Valentine's Day gift, any person in your life I think would love these. Also do have men's shoes as well. So ladies, if you're looking for a shoe for your man that's sustainable and stylish and chic, also recommend, you know, like I said, website linked in the description. But yeah, like I said before, Vivaia is just such an incredible brand to work with. I love the opportunity to be able to share these shoes with you guys and be able to work with a brand that is truly so sustainable, eco-friendly, and has a really great vision behind it. So yeah, be sure to leave a comment down below which shoe was your favorite. Are you kind of team blue fuzzy or team neutral booty? Let me know. I'm curious. And if you enjoyed this video unboxing review, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and again, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.